Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we will prepare this poppin' purple pom-pom just for you. I enjoy making these and adding these to my craft creations, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial as well. All you'll need are a pair of scissors, a brush or a comb, pom-pom maker, and of course your favorite yarn. This is a small 1.8 inch pom-pom maker that I purchased from excuse me, the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. And we'll begin with placing the yarn over one end of the one half of the pom-pom maker. I'm going to use my left hand, my left thumb to secure the yarn or hold the yarn in place as my forefinger guide the yarn onto the arm of the pom-pom maker. I'm going to wrap it around 41 times for this small pom-pom maker. It is a small, like I said, it's 1.8 inches, and you can go a little bit higher if you wish, but I think 41 revolutions or 41 turns around this half of the pom-pom should be sufficient to give you a nice fluffy pom-pom. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut here because I believe I have enough. It's a little bulky, but it's okay. Now we're going to do the second half. We'll take the yarn and wrap it around this half of the pom-pom maker. Get some more of the yarn. We're going to do this approximately 41 times. And like I said, you can do a little bit more if you want. The more you do it on this size, the bulkier it will be, and it may be a little bit harder to cut, but if you have a good pair of scissors, it can be done. So we're going to do this 41 times around on this half, on the second half of the maker. I'm going to go ahead and cut it and tie the end in. I'm going to close it and make sure both sides are down. I'm going to use my thumb and my forefinger to keep the clasp down and just begin to cut in the middle. And you have a little line there or separation in the pom-pom to kind of guide your scissors. So it will make the cut nice and neat and almost in a linear position there. And you're just going to cut the other side as well. And again, using the middle opening of the pom-pom to guide your scissors. So make sure it's cut thoroughly. We're going to take a piece of yarn and go ahead and place it in between the separation and tie a knot. We're going to do that again on the other side. Tie a knot or just wrap it around. And you see I tie a knot here. And I'm going to tie it, tighten it as much as I can without breaking the yarn. This is an acrylic yarn, so I really enjoy making the pom-poms using an acrylic yarn. It's a little bit harder to navigate with a silk yarn or a cotton yarn, so I like using the acrylic yarn for this particular project for pom-poms. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back the arms of the pom-pom, as you can see, And I'm going to pull back the other half of the arms on the other half of the pom-pom maker. I'm going to keep my tail or the string intact and I'm going to pull on the side to separate the pom-pom. And it's okay. I'm going to pull it off because you can always put the pom-pom back together, the maker back together. The only downside to using this particular one is that the arms can fall off, but the great thing is you can snap them back in. So there you have it. Now what we're going to do is basically take your brush and begin to, my apologies for having this residue from the previous pom-pom maker that I created. So like I said, we're going to go ahead and take the brush and begin to gently brush your string or yarn. I'm holding the pom-pom really firm in my left hand, and just while I'm combing or brushing out the yarn. So just continue to do that. Don't worry about it being uneven just yet because we're going to trim and cut here in just a few minutes. So don't worry about that. So just continue to brush until it's you can get it as fluffy as you can. So I think that's pretty good. I'm going to start trimming, and I'm using a large pair of scissors. You can use a small pair. I like using a small pair of scissors for the larger pom-poms, and it doesn't make any sense, but it's just whatever's comfortable for you, and that's comfortable for me. So I switch between a large pair of scissors and a small pair of scissors, but I'm going to just go ahead and trim until I make this and get the shape of a circle or a ball as much as possible. But these are really fun to make and add to a wreath, or to your floral, your decor. You can make pom-pom chains. There's so many things that you can do with these. Do with the pom-poms. So I'm gonna kind of shake off the excess there and continue to trim. I think we're getting close to creating our circle. And you could trim some more. Trim as much as you want, and you can trim a little bit more. So I think that's gonna do it. I think that's pretty good. So there you have it. You got your little pom-pom, and now what I'm gonna do is just add it to a tag that I pre-cut with a Cricut Maker. So there was a template for the tag, so I used the Cricut to make the tag. I'm gonna just add this pom-pom to the front of the tag, and I thought this would be really cute. You can use these to add to your gift bags, or you can use the tags as a bookmark if you want. And I thought it would be really cute to add to this tag, and you can put it on a gift, or like I said, a gift bag. It'd be super cute. Something different to add to your creation or your gifts. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie the tail and to the back of make a knot so that the pom-pom is secure in that hole. And just go ahead and cut off the tail. That is super cute. I really like that. And of course, you can add a sticker or, some wording to it if you want to. But there you have it, my pom-pom tag. I really hope that you enjoyed making this, and I hope you get to use it in your crafts. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. And I would love to hear from you